Hi everybody, welcome to the Live with Children here at Achema. It's day 3. I'm at the Wilco Bosch and Stobel booth with Christoph Herdlitschka. I'm sure I've got that wrong. And I'm going to find out a bit more about Wilco themselves and what they're showcasing to visitors this week at Achema. So Christoph, my voice is going, but it's lovely to see you again after such a long time. How are you, my friend?
Very good, thank you, Jeevan. Good to have you here. We finally made it, so welcome to our booth, and very much happy to show you around.
Brilliant. So before we do that, how has Achema gone for the first 2 days?
Way better than actually expected. I mean, we all know the summer holiday wasn't giving us too much hope, but we're actually very satisfied. There's a lot of traffic, good talk, so we're quite happy with the outcome so far.
Brilliant. Now, for people who are not familiar with Wilco, can you give me a quick overview of the business?
Right, so Wilco, we're a subsidiary or part of the company group of Boston Stribble, and we're dealing around everything around container closure integrity testing as well as visual inspection, so everything for final product quality inspection for pharmaceuticals. Fantastic.
Now, I understand you're going to give me a quick tour of the Wilco part of the booth and some of the products you've got here.
Absolutely, you're more than welcome. Come on in.
Fantastic.
Yes. All right, so we're actually displaying here a lot of things around the overall process and how we develop our systems.
Yep.
And I would like to start off and hand over to my colleague Matthias,
yep,
who's going to show you something around our new product. It's a Neo HSX2, a new version in first of its type headspace gas analyzer. And Matthias is going to tell you more about it.
Hello Matthias, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. So good afternoon to everybody. My name is Matthias Hiddemann. I'm the Technical Product Manager for CCIT with the Wilco. And what we see here on this station is part of our lab testing equipment. As Chris has mentioned, we see here the Neo HSX Duo, which has actually been launched here at this trade show. Neo HSX Duo is equipped with a dual, with 2 laser heads, meaning that we can measure 2 gases at the same time. Advantages for customers are saving equipment space, which is limited in lab environments, and of course, let's say you get a 2-in-1 machine with a positive effect on capex. The Neo HSX is part of our Neo family, which has been launched 4 years ago. We also have a differential pressure analyzer for the laboratory. What we would like to show here is the automation of the lab. That meaning for larger batches, customers can save their, let's say, the time of their laboratory staff, and can let the robot run and do testing by the robot itself. Typical applications here would be, for instance, an alternative to the traditional media fill inspection, which we can do here with the robot.
Brilliant.
I think this is for the lab environment, and now I'm going to hand over to my colleague Alexander Schaefer, who's showing you how we, let's say, how we develop solutions for customer requirements.
My name is Alex, and I'm here to present to you our solution design. During the solution design for a visual inspection system, we have to bridge the gap between the expected inspection performance and the actual system performance. Here at Wilco, we bridge this gap by starting our design with an intensive knowledge gathering and data analysis process. In this phase, we look at your product, we look at your production process, and we look at your packaging in order to find your pain points and your challenges in your process. Then, after this is done, we can start with our design process and make sure that the solution fits your requirements. There is much more to talk about for this aspect, and we would like to welcome you here at Wilco to show you more and how our solutions fit your pain points.
Brilliant.
All right, so I think you were already seeing some of the new products and also the process and how we develop it. And of course, over the last years, we developed quite a lot of products, and we couldn't bring them all here. That's why we also invested into our virtual showroom here which I think is kind of like a nice tool to demonstrate all the products that we have. Again, as our motto is being sure from lab to production on this year's Achema, we're also demonstrating testing units that are actually operating in the lab environment, as well as 100% inline control systems, and that range from headspace analysis, visual inspection system, combined systems for different types of packaging. And if you're interested in learning more about what we do, feel free to visit, and we're more than happy to welcome you here in our booth or wherever. Thank you
Fantastic.
so much.
Well, Christoph, thank you for giving me that whirlwind tour of your booth and the solutions you've got here. My voice is definitely going. If people want to know more, I can see you stand over this D23 in Hall 3, but if people cannot make it here, where else can they see you in person?
Well, so we're based in Switzerland, close to Zurich, so we're very close to Zurich Airport. Anybody interested is more than welcome to visit us there or online, so we're there. So check out also our website and get in touch with us for anything that you want to see.
Brilliant, Christoph. Well, thank you very much for that. Have a fantastic rest of Achema. It's good to see you, and I hope the show goes very well for you. There you go, viewers. If you're here in Achema this week, then check out the Wilco booth. It's Hall 3, D23. As you can see, they've got lots of fantastic products here and lots of interactive stuff as well that you can try out for yourself. If you cannot make it, then check out their website to see the other events they're attending and also what else they can do. So, Christoph, thank you once again, and your colleagues who helped. And thank you, viewers, for watching. Until next time, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Jeevan.